South Carolina Supreme Court will soon determine whether the Heritage Act is constitutional. That's the law that protects monuments associated with war, historical figures, or events. News 2's Hannah Powers spoke with legal leaders around the state about their thoughts on this act.
South Carolina Attorney General Alan Wilson sent a letter to the South Carolina Supreme Court asking them to take over the case challenging the constitutionality of the Heritage Act, a piece of legislation that's on the minds of many after moves to remove some historic monuments like the John C. Calhoun statue that once stood here in Marion Square.
Calhoun Monument did not fall under the protections of the Heritage Act. The Heritage Act is written to be very specific.
While a decision was made about the Calhoun statue, Wilson says we need a final answer on the constitutionality of the Heritage Act. State Representative Wendell Gilliard says the act has to go.
We don't need it at all. You know that old saying, we're always last in the things that are first and first in the things that are last. Well, we want to move forward, then we got to get rid of these old dinosaur rules.
Wilson says his office does feel that the Heritage Act is constitutional.
Our office is going to defend the constitutionality of the Heritage Act, except for one provision of it.
That provision, right now, it takes a 2/3 majority to remove a monument's protection. Wilson's provision would put it in line with most other laws where it just requires a simple majority. But that's not enough for some groups. Brett Berry of the American Heritage Association wants a stronger stance.
And I find it odd that Attorney General Wilson seems more concerned with exploring potential weaknesses in the law rather than standing up to the vandals and saying that he's going to enforce the law.
Wilson told me that he isn't sure if or when we will hear an answer from the South Carolina Supreme Court. Reporting in downtown Charleston, I'm Hannah Powers. Count on 2.